Good evening, guys. Emmanuel Babala here at MXD on Steemit, and quickly I would like to show you how to get your full membership subscription on the Bitshares openledger.info website. So this is the first time I'm going to be trying this out. So as you can see, I have around 226 Bitshares, and so I want to pay for the lifetime membership. So let's go to first of all, you want to go to accounts. You want to go to accounts here, and then go to membership. Okay, so at this time, it costs around 110.8 Bitshares to be a lifetime member of this platform. As you can see, my lifetime referral is Sam Sticks, and I'm going to be paying for mine right now. Okay, so I'm just going to click here, buy lifetime subscription. It's coming up. Okay, so it's saying account to upgrade. So this is my account. Upgrade to lifetime member, yes. Fee, yes. So I'm going to confirm this. Now the reason why I'm actually doing this is so I can actually get a referral link like this, and also the bonuses that come with it. Okay, so this is very exciting. I'm going to be getting up to 80% for all my referrals, and the network takes 20%. So because this is a decentralized exchange, it doesn't involve you having to pay the exchange 0.25% every time you make a transaction. So what happens here is all the fees in the exchange are actually paid out to the lifetime referral, and the network takes just 20%. So it's very exciting. Thank you very much for watching this short video, and do have a lovely day ahead.